Here's how to remove the default clothes from your Roblox avatar. Open your browser and go to roblox.com, then sign in to your account. From the left side menu, click Avatar to open the avatar editor. Now, scroll through your equipped items and deselect the default clothing you want to remove from your avatar. Next, open Body, then select Skin Tone. From here, choose a skin color that matches the look you want. If you want more control, open the Advanced section to customize the color of individual body parts, including your arms, legs, torso, and head. Once you finish selecting your preferred colors, tap Done to save the changes. Your avatar will now use the updated skin tones instead of the default clothing, creating a seamless appearance. If the default clothing is still visible, make sure you've unequipped every default clothing item before changing the skin tone. You can always return to the avatar editor later to equip different clothing or customize your avatar further. That's all for this video. Thanks.